How to list on AliExpress. So once you're logged in, what you're going to do is you're going to come here at the top right, click on your profile icon, scroll down, and just click on seller login, okay? Right now we're on the buyer page. You just want to log into the seller account. And if you don't have a seller account yet, you can come here and click join now for free. Okay, now we have to basically register. You choose your registration country. Okay, for example, let's say the United States. Then you have to enter your email. Okay, I'll enter this right here. So then you have to enter your email verification code. Go here, click on send. It'll send a code to your email. All right, so there we go. That's my verification code. And that is my account password I've put in. Make sure you toggle this on and just go ahead and click on register right here. And of course, once you go through this process, you will have to, go ahead and, okay, so it is currently redirecting me to the seller platform right here. So we have our registration as being successful. I will choose so you can choose different types of stores. You can either choose a direct store or you can choose a self-operating store right here. So I'm going to go ahead and pick this one, a self-operating one. Click on I agree, and then go ahead and click on a next step. Now, before we list anything, you will have to go ahead and fill in your company type. You'll have to enter in your, information. For example, you have to provide your legal documents, your business license, and all this information. Go ahead and enter all of that and submit. And once they approve you, you'll be able to list your products on AliExpress.